boys and girls, how are you today? It's me, Miss Caitlin from the Children's Discovery Center. I'm so glad that you're joining me because today we are going to learn and investigate all about a type of weather. Now, weather is really amazing because it's all around us and it's always changing. Now, in weather, there's something that we call precipitation. Does anybody know what that is? Those are great guesses. Kiss your brain. Good thinking. Precipitation is when something such as rain or snow or sleet or hail fall from the sky. Now, my question is, how and why does rain fall from the sky? Does anyone have any ideas? Those are great ideas. You've got it. That's right. So up in our atmosphere, there are very large clouds. And within those clouds, there are droplets of water. What happens is the water droplets join together, and as they join, they grow bigger and bigger and bigger. As they grow larger, they also grow heavier, and they grow so heavy, and there's so many of them, that a cloud can no longer hold them. And when that happens, it is when it precipitates, or for what we're talking about today, when it rains. Now, when very large water droplets fall to the earth from a cloud, we call it rainfall. And when very small, tiny water droplets fall from a rain cloud, we call it a drizzle. Now, I was thinking it might be fun to investigate how this works. Would you like to join me? Great. You'll only need a few very simple materials. You'll need a jar with water, and notice that I didn't fill it all the way to the top. You'll need some watercolor, and I made these in little test tubes, but you can make them in cups or anything that you have at home. You can use water with food coloring or water with liquid watercolor. You also need a STEM tool. I have a pipette, but if you don't have a pipette at home, you can use an eyedropper or even a medical syringe. You will also need some shaving cream. And for extra fun, I have a little whiteboard and a marker. You could use paper and a pencil as well. So, when we are conducting a science experiment, it's a lot of fun to start by using the scientific process. The first step in that is to identify your problem. My problem today is I don't know how many drops of water my rain cloud that I'm going to make in my jar can hold. The next step is I am going to hypothesize. That means I'm going to make a prediction or a guess at how many raindrops my cloud will hold. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to use my shaving cream, and I'm going to put some in my jar, just like that. Now, clouds come in all different shapes and sizes, so you can choose any shape or size of cloud that you want. You might want it a little bit smaller, you might want it very, very large. That choice is totally up to you. So now I'm going to think, and I'm going to make my prediction. I think my rain cloud is going to hold 12 raindrops. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the number 12. Do you know how to write the number 12? That's right. It's a 1 with a 2. Okay, I wonder what number you just wrote down for your hypothesis. The next step is I'm going to use my pipette, and I'm going to pinch the bulb up top and let it go. And when I do that, I suck up the liquid right there. And now I'm going to begin to investigate. And that means try out my experiment. So here we have my cloud in a jar and my pretend raindrops. And I'm going to put them into the cloud and see if my cloud can hold the weight of 12 drops. You can do this along with me if you'd like. Oop, one just slipped out. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3. You can count along with me too. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's stop and make an observation. Has anything happened? Not yet. There is no rain falling from my clouds, so my prediction was incorrect. But But that's okay. That's why we conduct these experiments, to learn and find out. So let's count on from 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, I reached 19 and look, do you notice and observe what is happening? Do you see that? Behind and under the rain cloud, the rain drops are coming out of the cloud. My cloud could hold 19 drops before it got so heavy that it had to fall from the cloud. I'm curious to know how many raindrops your cloud could hold. Very interesting. Also, it's making me think, I wonder if the size of my cloud would cause a different ending to this experiment. So if you have the time, you might want to conduct another experiment and change the size of your cloud to see if you have the same amount of raindrops that fall from a large cloud or small cloud or not. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you had a lot of fun. I know that I did, and I hope that I get to see you again really soon. Take care. Bye, friends.